Hey y'all, I'm Chann and you're watching Made by Chann. It's been a minute. I've been gone a little bit. I had no plans of taking a break that long, keeping it real. I've like failed on 3 projects back to back. Oh, is it 3 or 4? 4 back to back, which is like if I do a dress a week or a project a week, that's like a month worth of stuff. And I was like, we need to take a break from this. My ego was very shy. Hence why you're not seeing a sewing video and you're watching a sewing plans video. But I have gotten my sojo back. I made a project that was a win for me, and so now I feel confident again, and now I feel like I can do this. But we're back. So today I will be talking about everything I plan on making for my vacation, as well as everything just kind of like an update of what you're gonna see this month too, so like general sewing plans as well. We'll start with those and then we'll get into the vacation sewing. A couple things are coming up that I do need some looks for. Like my birthday is in about 2.5 weeks, so I'm making a dress for my birthday. I've been documenting the process. We're doing some new things I've never done before. But I'm making a replica of this Oscar de la Renta strapless dress. You all know I love Oscar. I am doing it in this yellow gingham organza that you saw in my spring sewing plans video. Wow, that was a while ago. But yeah, I'm making a dress for that. It's coming, it's going along well, it's going well. So you'll see that in a couple weeks. The goal is to finish it like this weekend or the next week or so. My birthday's at the end of the month, so we have time, but the goal is to finish it. I am trying to make the perfect pair of shorts. The first time I tried, it did not go well. That was the beginning of the fails. It did not go well. We're trying again. I'm in the middle of that. That's probably gonna be the next video you see. And I'm making it out of, I don't know if I wanna talk about this because you're gonna see it, but yeah, one moment, I'll get the fabric. So I'm self-drafting the shorts pattern for my body. And I am doing that because it's going to be really relevant to an outfit I plan on wearing on my vacation. So I am making this pair of shorts out of this like rayon twill, which is very drapey. It's very soft. I love it because it doesn't really attract a lot of lint and it doesn't really wrinkle. And so it's just wonderful. I got it at Joann's. This, I feel like I could dress these shorts up or down and it'd be perfect. And that, are those all the sewing non-vacation related things I plan on making? I think so. Yeah. That should get us through the end of the month. Last year, I made the videos vlog style. I think I am going to try to make a video for each outfit, but we'll see how things go. I'm not gonna promise anything. You will still see me make all the outfits though. You don't have to worry about that. But let's get into them. I have my notes right here. Some stuff I just ordered swatches for and the real fabric is coming. Other stuff I have not decided the fabric yet, but I'm for sure I want to wear that outfit. I'll let you know along the way. I will be gone for 4 days. I need 8 looks. It's a girls trip. We'll be going to brunch, dinner. I don't know why my voice sounds so broken. Hold on. The first outfit I plan on making is the Simplicity S9114. If you watched my making all the tops video, oh, I made this shirt in that video. If you saw that video, then you saw me make the camisole from that, and that was a fail. I have ordered the larger size that is sold out of all of my Joann's, so I had to order it online. But I plan on making that the dress, and I haven't decided if I'm going to keep it the same length or shorten it and whatnot, but I really want that to be my travel dress and just wear it to the airport. And then by the time I get there, if we want to go out to dinner or something, whatnot, I feel like that's a good dress to like dress up or down. And I also plan on making it out of a rayon, but it has been very hard to find a rayon that is a solid color that I like. Like, I don't know what's going on with that, but that has not been easy. So I'm going to the fabric district this weekend, and I'm also going to go to Joann's and see what I can find, but hopefully I find something. But I for sure am making that dress. I also want to make a the cat dress that was just released by Georgia. If you don't follow Georgia, she's wonderful. I want to make that out of faux leather. And I was talking to her, I was like, do you think this is a good idea, or do you think that this would be a nightmare? She's like, I think that would be so cool. So I was like, okay. She's like, I want to see it when you do it. So I'm going to make that. I think it should be, from what I've read from the pattern testers and whatnot, I shouldn't actually have to make too many mods for it. They say it's very big bust friendly, and your girl's got a full big bust. So I think it should work out pretty fine. For the next day, my outfit, I plan on making the Zoe Tank Dress by True Bias. Same video where I made the Zoe Tank. I just want to make the dress, and I want to make it in a cotton modal. I ordered some swatches. They're gonna get here next week, but I think I want to do it in like an olive green or a berry color. This will be relevant in a little bit, but like this kind of olive green or this kind of berry, but it will be out of like a t-shirt material and whatnot. And I can wear it with sneakers and sandals, dress it up, dress it down, not have to worry about it. So that's the plan for that. And then that night we're going to dinner and we're going out, and I am attempting to make, not attempting, I gotta put it out there, I will be making the Vicky So's Francesca dress. When I saw this come out, I said, oh my God, I need to make that dress. I'm technically making it for a wedding I'm going to, but I'm also going to be making it for, this is the trial run, basically. Now I'm going to be eliminating the bottom tier and making it into a short dress. And I will be making it out of cobalt blue, hot pink. I'm leaning towards the cobalt, and all my girls think I should do cobalt too, even though I really do like this hot pink, and we'll come back to that, but I really do like the hot pink. But I was messaging back and forth with Style Maker Fabrics, which is who this swatch is from. She said she thinks this fabric is too light and drapey. I need something a little bit stiffer for that dress. So I have this poplin, which is a little thicker. Don't know how I feel about it though, to be honest. I may wash it to see, like, cause you know when you get swatches sometimes they're covered and stuff. I may make it out of this poplin instead and see. This is a part of the Mood Fabrics Balenciaga collection. I ordered a couple swatches from that actually, and they're pretty cool. Not as pricey as you would think they would be, just being honest, but I may make it out of this instead because you do need some structure from that dress. But we'll see. We'll see. I'm going to the fabric district this weekend, and she also recommended just a shirting fabric if I didn't want to go this stiff. So I'm going to see if I can find just a royal blue or cobalt blue shirting fabric and try and do that. The next outfit I have is the Atlas wrap dress. I want to make the sleeveless version. That also is a woven fabric. I have not decided what fabric I want to make that out of because I want it to fit with my color scheme. Right now, the most color I have is like ruby sweet with berries, blues, some greens. So I may make it out of a green, which I think would be nice. I just have to find one I like. A lot of people make it out of linen. I hate linen. Maybe I can make it out of a shirting fabric if I find something I like. So I do have this berry, and I think this would be really beautiful. The thing is though, the Atlas dress I'm wearing to brunch, and then I'm going shopping after that, and so I don't want it to look, you can dress it up or dress it down, but I don't want it to look too evening, I guess is my point. And then I also need another backup outfit. So the backup outfit I plan on making is, I want to make a boxy t-shirt. I plan on doing the Georgia tee by Elizabeth Suzanne. This is completely inspired by Julia Bobbins and the Stitch Fits because they did it first. And I want to make it out of this silk chiffon in olive green. Like, I just think that is beautiful. Like, oh, I love it. So I'll pop a picture up of how the Stitch Fits, I think her name's Lindsay, how she styled it. I plan on styling it the exact same way. I think it looks so good. And then I want to make leather shorts, faux leather shorts to go with it. So that's why I'm trying to draft the perfect pair of shorts so that it works. I will talk about this more in my shorts video, but the alterations I need for shorts, like, I can't find shorts that fit my body, basically. That don't need alterations already, so I'd rather just make a pair. But that would be my another backup outfit, just in case we go to dinner that night or something. We don't plan to, but you never know, make it your way. The last outfit I plan on making, so it's gonna be another travel day outfit. I'm only gonna be gone 4 days. And I'm either going to just rewear the dress I wore the first day, the S9114, just wash it and rewear it. Or I want to make a pair of jeans, like wide leg sailor style jeans, very similar to the True Bias Lander pants. I have a custom block I've made for that out of either this light wash denim or this mid-wash denim. I haven't decided. I ordered one more swatch just to see, because this is very soft. It does come in a darker color, so I want to see before. I also already own jeans this color, so part of me is like, should I only own light jeans? I own a couple pair of jeans that are this color, so I'm trying to figure that out. And then up top, I'm thinking I may just make the boxy tee again, but in a t-shirt fabric versus silk organza. So that'd be a very casual, comfy outfit, and it would just work. My theme, or like my mindset going into these vacation looks, is I want to make things that I will not only wear on vacation, that I would also wear in like my regular life too. Because I think last year I liked everything I made, but I kind of only wear them like special occasion stuff, and I don't want to do that again. So, but yeah, those are my sewing plans for the next 2 months. Open to thoughts, comments, suggestions. You know, you let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like if you like it, if you're excited about what I'm watching, and subscribe if you want to see all the looks I'm making. And I will see you all next time. Bye. Let's go.